Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will start immediately by verifying prerequisites. You need an administrator account, closed Ldplayer, and virtualization support in BIOS. First, back up any emulator data to be safe. Next, open settings as admin and go to apps. Optional features will be used. Once done, prepare Windows Terminal or Command Prompt as administrator. You'll run a command to toggle Hyper-V features off. Make sure Windows Update has no pending restarts before proceeding so changes apply cleanly. Now execute the core commands to disable Hyper-V and related platforms. Open an elevated terminal and run the dism command to turn off Microsoft Hyper-V All. This removes the main service. Then disable Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform either with dism or via Windows Features dialog. After commands succeed, do a full system restart. Many changes require reboot to unload the hypervisor. Make sure to monitor for errors in the terminal output and note them for troubleshooting if needed. Finish by rebooting and testing Ldplayer. After restart, ensure BIOS virtualization remains enabled. Sometimes Windows toggles settings. Launch Ldplayer and confirm it boots smoothly and reports hardware acceleration. If Ldplayer still fails, disable Hypervisor launch explicitly with bcdedit/set hypervisor launch type off in an elevated prompt, then reboot. If issues persist, one key troubleshooting tip. Check Windows features and dism logs for errors, reinstall Ldplayer, and temporarily disable Windows, Defender, or third-party antiviruses that may block virtualization files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.